folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to show you guys the damper controls on your Heco Cookstove. Now this video will apply to the Heco 420 and the 520 models, as the damper controls are the same. So you do have your, this is considered your secondary damper control. Now when your secondary, which is basically going to be your air wash, your primary is going to come in from underneath the firebox. Now there's not a damper control for underneath the firebox. If you had a really tight kind of like installation, not a very good draft, and you needed more airflow, or if you're burning coal, you can always open this bottom door and allow the air to come in, but you would never ever want to leave this door open, okay? This is, and then once you close it, that's it, it's shut, it's airtight. Top, so pulled out is going to be open, pushed in is going to be closed. You do also have an automatic damper control located on the back of the stove, and it allows you to go from a setting of low up to 4. That is going to be an automatic draft control that is on a barometric chain, and so with the heat of the stove it'll open and close. I will bring you guys up close to show you that. You can see just by adjusting this, if you set it to the 4, the chain goes up and it opens the hole here at the bottom. Set at low is going to be completely closed. Here you have your shaker handle. This will do the grate in the bottom. This is for if you're burning coal inside the stove. And then your final damper control is going to be your oven control located on the side of the stove. Pulled out is going to be baking mode. You only want to have this damper pulled out if you are actually baking, okay? To heat your house, no, you don't want to activate your damper and open your oven. People actually do that. That is not necessary, please. If you are not baking and you are just heating, keep the damper closed. Why? If you're running this open, you are sending smoke around your oven, which means there will be creosote and fly ash. That's just inevitable. You will have to clean out your oven more than you should have to if you're constantly running it like this, okay? So when you are going to light your fire, when you are heating, or if you're stovetop cooking, keep this damper control pushed in. So those are going to be your damper controls on the Heco Cookstoves. If this video was helpful, informational, and educational, please give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day.